Hey guys, so right here I've got this lawnmower that I garbage picked back in summertime, but never got a chance to show you guys starting it up. So, what better time to do it than in the middle of winter? But it's only -3 out, so it's not too bad. Shit. Well then. So yeah, that's about it. All I needed to do when I got it was an oil change and some gas. So, and as you can see, it's missing a wheel, but other than that, it runs pretty well. Don't really know what that popping sound was at the end, but yeah.